welcome to another exciting episode on the Green Beauty Chemist channel. Today I've got a special treat for your lips. We're whipping up the best homemade exfoliating scrub. And guess what? It takes just 3 minutes to make. Yes, you heard it right. 3 minutes to luscious, smooth lips. Let's say goodbye to chapped lips and hello to a gorgeous smile. Before we jump into our quick and easy recipe, make sure you hit that subscribe button, join our community, and be part of our fun and informative journey into the world of DIY beauty. Alright, let's dive into our lip scrub recipe. No fancy ingredients or complicated steps. Here, just simple, effective items straight from your pantry. You're going to love how easy and effective this is. Here is what you need. Sugar 50 grams, your natural exfoliator, coconut oil 10 grams for deep nourishing hydration, honey 5 grams to soothe and heal, flavoring vanilla extract or citrus zest for that yummy factor. Let's get mixing. Here's what you do. Grab a bowl and pour in your sugar. This is your gentle exfoliator that will get rid of all the dead skin without being harsh. Next, add in the coconut oil. This is like a quenching drink for your lips, providing much needed moisture. Now drizzle in that honey. It's not just delicious, it's a natural healer, soothing any irritation. And for that final touch of magic, a dash of flavoring. Whether you are a fan of vanilla sweet scents or the zest kick of citrus, it's all about making it your own. Stir it all together until you get a paste-like consistency. That's it. Your very own homemade lip scrub is ready. Look at this beauty. Transfer your scrub into a small jar. It's perfect for keeping on your bathroom counter or taking with you on the go. Remember to store it in the fridge and use it within a week for maximum freshness. Just scoop out a little bit, gently rub it on your lips and rinse off. The result, soft, smooth and kissable lips. If you try this recipe, let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear how it worked for you or any fun variation you come up with. And hey, if you haven't already so, subscribe to Green Beauty Chemist channel. We're all about making beauty fun, simple and totally doable. Plus, we've got a lot more recipe tips and beauty hacks coming your way. Thanks for watching, friends. Remember, great beauty products don't have to come from a store. Sometimes the best ones are made right at home with love and a little bit of science. Stay tuned for more, keep experimenting, and embrace the joy of DIY beauty. Until next time, keep smiling and loving your beautiful self.